Second, grammar, chapter number 20, head. Read the following sentences. First sentence is Mary had a little lamb, and second is she had bread and jam for breakfast yesterday. Had is used in place of has or have. When we will use had? We will use had when we talk about something that has already happened. So, when already talk or anything else happened at that time, instead of has or have, we will write had. We use had with I, we, you, he, she, they, and with special names. Mean how we will read or write? I had, we had, you had, he had, she had, they had. Okay, and with special name. Special name means they have given example of Tina had, Raj had. Okay, we may use yesterday, last week, last month, last journey with had. Means last, whatever it is coming. At last means already we have done. And yesterday means today, before what it is coming? Yesterday. Okay. So for example, today is Saturday. So Saturday before what it is coming? Friday. So Friday is yesterday. Okay, we will talk that yesterday means what we will think. We will not speak that Friday, but instead of Friday we will speak that yesterday I have explained hard words. Okay, so in that way yesterday means already the day we has passed. Now I am explaining this textbook exercise. Take the correct word in the bracket. A squirrel has a bushy tail. Squirrel has a bushy tail. Today squirrel has a tail and tomorrow it will not there. It will not like that. It has. Okay, so it will come here has. Now he has or had fever last week. Already I explained you that when last week, last month, last journey, when it is coming at that time, what we will write? Had. So here in second number we will do tick mark had. Third, she has or had long hair. Right now you can see that picture that she has already long hair. So we will write here tick mark has. I has or had a book that I read last night. In the beginning only I told that last night. So what will come? Last means already night passed. So here it will come had. He has or had many friends when he was in Delhi. Was when we are using in the past tense. Okay. Was means before that he was in Delhi. So we will write here HAD had. A palm tree has big leaves. Already palm tree has a leaves, long leaves. It does not mean that today it is long leaves and tomorrow it will be short. It has only long leaves. Her school has or had a big library. In school libraries are there. Today's library is there, tomorrow it will be not there. In that way it is not happen. So here it will come has. She had a test last Monday. In the beginning only told last Monday. Last week means last in week what it is coming Monday. So last already I told you that wherever last it is coming at that place what we will write had. So it is easy way to learn this exercise. So wherever it is last spelling you can see at that place you can do tick mark and it will come answer had. And rest of the other places you have to write has. Now 9 and 10 number I am explaining. You had a blue pen. Have you lost it? You had means you have pen but you have lost it. It is showing here. See. So it will come had. A giraffe has a long neck. Giraffe has always long neck. Okay. So it will come has. Here second exercise is also there. Fill in the blanks with has, have or had. Many years ago the king and the queen had a big palace. Means before many years king and queen had a big palace. Means we are talking about before many years. See, years ago. They lived in it. The palace had a big garden. Palace was there and it had a big garden. Many birds come to the garden. The king and the queen looked at the birds and felt happy. They had bread and honey every morning when they sat in the garden. What they are taking? Bread and honey every morning. They had. Right now they are not taking, but at that time we are talking about many years ago. Okay, so we will write each and every sentence with had. Now, when Nikki was 5 years old, here also we are talking about was and 5 years old when Nikki was 5 years old. Okay, so she had a doll. At that time she had a doll house. It had a red door and big window. So you can see the doll house is there, and she had a doll house. It had a red door. The color of the door is red and windows also there. She kept all her dolls in it, and one day Minnie come to play with her. Nikki said, "Do you have a doll house?" See, now how it is coming, because one day we are talking about one day. So she was asking that, "Do you have a doll house? If you do not have one, you can come and play with me every day." Here not they have written yesterday or else. Here they have talked every day. So we will write here have. Now Nikki has very few dolls left. She keeps them in the cupboard. Exercise B over.